good, actually. Family's fine as well, always on the go, but we still get to see each other pretty regularly. What's new? Well, a lot, actually. Everything's somehow new at the moment, to be honest. I'm sorry for not reaching out too often lately. I've been through quite some ups and downs. But I'm just into, homemade stuff. Fresh, locally produced, just quality, I guess. And anyway, there's so much more to it. The ambiance, the atmosphere, good service, nice wine, and preferably a sip of cold spring water from the Swiss Alps. Well, you know me a little by now. I love details, not only when it comes to food. It's always the little things that make a difference. Everything needs to be just right.